Boeing 737 MAX. Previously canceled flights through September 2nd. Boeing's still working to fix a host of technical problems. The airline said it's confident coming software updates and new training elements will lead to the aircraft being recertified this year. The plane was grounded in March after 2 fatal crashes. American has 24 of Boeing's best-selling 737 MAX jets in its fleet.
Well, things are about to get a little spicy in space. NASA scientists are in the process of sending chili peppers to the International Space Station. It would be the first fruiting plant the U.S. has grown and harvested at the ISS. So why chili peppers, you ask? Well, to grow in space, a plant must be easily pollinated and able to survive in a high carbon dioxide environment. Chili peppers do both. They're also packed with vitamins, which will help astronauts stay healthy in space.
Oh, okay. I thought it was just for the spice, but I was wrong.
Right.
I thought they really were trying to get
They
spicy.
put a little of that in their tang.
I know. Yeah. It's spicy.
Well, it'll add some spice to that frozen, dried out food that they have to eat.
Yeah.
A little bit of flavor.
Oh,
Good stuff.
They'll need that.
Well, let me tell you what. Go outside, maybe check out the Flavor of a Food truck today, because today is our best day of the week.
Oh,
right.
Limited engagement only, but you got to do it today because the humidity's in check. The rest of the week, it's going to be downright oppressive. So let's take a look outside, and there's the Bay Bridge. Maybe want to head back east over towards the shore today because it is just gorgeous out there. Temperature-wise, we're in the 80s. We'll be near 90. We did have 90 degrees over the weekend, but the humidity has not been too oppressive. Here's our view from the Mandarin Oriental, looking into Roslyn with the Lincoln Memorial right there. 84 downtown at this hour with a calm wind, and the dew points are in the low 60s. And we talk about dew points in the low 60s. There's a touch, just a little touch of humidity in the atmosphere. Not a lot. It's okay. As we head through the next couple of hours, gorgeous afternoon turns into a gorgeous evening. A lot of swim meets tonight. I know I'll be on deck this evening, and we're looking at sunshine, clear skies, sundown tonight at 8:34 p.m. Big picture here. I want to talk about the futurecast into the afternoon. Nothing around here locally. Far southwestern Virginia, much like yesterday, down below Rockingham County, down into southwestern Virginia, maybe a stray storm or two. But around here, we're dry. 89 for the high. With a little bit of a light northerly breeze, it keeps the humidity in check. Now, as we move into Tuesday, we're going to have a little more heat and a little more humidity. 60s to near 70s in the morning, but through the afternoon, the temperatures will come up, the clouds will increase a little bit, and it will become a bit muggier. Now, as far as showers and storms tomorrow afternoon, a few may fire off into the latter half of the day, and that's what we'll be watching for tomorrow and for Wednesday as well. Both days have a chance. Right now, in an elevated risk area, just a marginal risk for a couple of, general risk for a couple of showers and thunderstorms both days, just because of the pop-up nature with that atmosphere so hot and sticky. Nationals heading up the road to the Orioles, Camden Yards. A little bit of battle of the beltways, if you will. 7:05 first pitch for both Tuesday and Wednesday. Both afternoons feature that isolated storm chance, but once again, I think our better chance for storms will be Thursday, and that's when some of the leftover Barry's moisture heads our way. Look at the next few days. Low 90s will actually feel closer to 100 on Tuesday, low 100s on Wednesday and Thursday, so I do think this high heat is going to be a factor that could lead the National Weather Service to potentially issuing some heat advisories for the latter half of the week. So there you go, a couple hit-or-miss showers and storms, muggy through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I would take your attention to the back half of the week. 96 on Friday, 98 Saturday. We could have feels-like temperatures 105 to 110. Could be pretty dangerous heat, so I want to keep that in mind for the latter half of the week. We'll step away for just a moment. We're back with more ABC 7 News at noon coming up after this.
Pest problems? Get a free inspection. MyPMSI.com.
All right, sweetie. Airplane time! Woo! Turbulence! Buckle up! Oh. That's gross. But it happens. Call Stanley Steamer for our $99 cleaning special and get back to clean.
Call 1-800-STEAMER. Stanley Steamer gets your home cleaner.
Helicopter time!
Update your floors with Empire Today's $50 room sale. Buy one room, get floors for all other rooms for just $50 each. So when you buy one room, it's only $50 for laminate in the kitchen, $50 for carpet in the bedroom, and $50 for hardwood in the office. There's no limit. Buy one room and it's $50 for floors in each additional room. Schedule now.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.
You just can't trust the internet these days. Luckily, I discovered NordVPN. Thanks to NordVPN, I feel so safe online now. I just click and let NordVPN do the rest. Who would have thought it takes just a click to keep the hackers away?
Free cast, buddy.
Thanks.
From laser-measured floor liners to Sunshade, the cup phone to secure your phone, to Tech Liner for your bed and tailgate, Bump Step.
Oh, can I hold it?
Yeah, good job.
To no-drill mud flaps.
Wow, look at that.
WeatherTech has everything you need to keep your truck protected all year long. Order yours today at WeatherTech.com, the ultimate protection for your vehicle.
A foldable, compact, iceless cooler. 7 on your side finds out if it can really keep your food and drinks as cold as the others. Is it worth it? Tuesday on ABC 7's Good Morning Washington.
30 local amateur boxers are training for their very